About juicy news, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm a day, Bremo. A year list or your revenant panelist on the political talk show, or so I reacted to a year and simply a Kwabena Duffuor, a day to Jama Salsam and Yanni de Amawa to be a day Amaneno, the end of Kwabena Duffuor, a kaya, the audio Nina, a Bremo, Sasso, and a year list over the reaction suit and Nina, a Bremo. Now, answer your before a minimum. Let's just say, so we don't subscribe to the channel now. Let's just say, over subscribe or click the subscribe button. Now, our belly notification, we had this video for free upload. Also, once a can be after we are now like video, normal thumbs up. Nothing was share ama of so any be a share. After uncle and minimum. A year list or year revenue panelist on the political talk show now and simply a year committed for edit to jar and yanny there. Among so Boateng Abereacte to be Ediama Kwabena Duffuor Yin Kwabena Duffuor or no super say with 2 frankama a year NDC said to the Swaba no with me Abaye president. Now with me who say Kwabena Duffuor no on a year former president John Dramani Mahama one in terminal minim Asama Koso Ewo a year Kwabena Duffuor Okupio a year TB3. Now a year a branch and Obisan and some no chese say a bus one to aba na say when Vinia. Na say Mahama fan say onye ne running meter or budget penny ana and na watch say ono wo division so and a Mahama vision Mahama so wo division so one vision here the same year fine but say obi an division dia and enya dia e be ye adwuma sa na o che na be fa ye Mahama amamu hu no che say Mahama no the figures are there, the figures speaks for itself. Not just say na figures no enye na o che say Mahama was a failure now what say no so kra mo de bono kra na ko anim sin Mahama. Now we drew Akufo Addo so you be sad Akufo Addo no so no enya dia wo be jeje na sanse we odi to there and no na anye a list word there amon no so baboti abetu to be aman o chese papa we intimode na answer na ye be call a list word sem so yinti a year and some a year Kwabena before the to bra iti Kwabena before 97.
If you lost, I mean, again, that's very a probable question. If you lost the elections and John Mahama decided to make you the running mate of the NDC, would you take it up? If you lost, I mean, again, that's very a probable question. If you lost the elections and John Mahama decided to make you the running mate of the NDC, would you take it up?
I have my vision. He has his vision. Unless we compare the two visions, they are the same. Otherwise, I would not join somebody whose vision is different from my vision.
Respond to those who say that your decision to contest John Mahama expresses a vote of no confidence in his ability to run the economy.
I'm not saying so. The records are there. You are given. Look at the records from 2009 to 2016. Don't you have the figures? The figures speak for themselves, not me. Do you understand? I cannot pass a vote of no confidence in him. The figures will speak for themselves.
The figures we know were terrible.
So what are you asking me? The figures were terrible. Then the figures I tell you that there was a failure somewhere. Should I talk about that?
We ran the twin deficits in 2013 after the 2012 elections. We saw inflation spiral. We went through the doomsday period, which obviously may not have been his fault, but he managed to resolve it before going out of power.
I'm talking about the figures on the ground. I'm not talking about his personality. Who was in charge? If you're happy with the figures, you ask, oh, who was in charge? Oh, he did a good job. If the figures are so bad, who was in charge?
Do you think he did a good job as president?
Look at the figures yourself.
Do you think he did a good job as president?
Look at the figures and speak to the figures.
So I look at the figures and they do not look too impressive.
So why do you ask me that question?
So in your view, did he impress you as president?
Are you happy with the figures yourself?
They don't look good on paper.
So why ask me that question?
What view out there when you talk to the African youth on the street is that we've for long mortgaged our future, to older politicians who have not served as well. The Nigerians will tell you about Buhari. The Ghanaians today will tell you about Nana Akufo Addo and the fact that he's not. You've seen the latest EIU report, for instance.
No, you see, people should do proper analysis. Professor Mills left office. He died when he was about 69.
The popular view out there when you talk to the African youth on the street is that we've for long mortgaged our future, to older politicians who have not served as well. The popular view out there when you talk to the African youth on the street is that we've for long mortgaged our future, to older politicians who have not served as well. The Nigerians will tell you about Buhari. The Ghanaians today will tell you about Nana Akufo Addo and the fact that he's not. You've seen the latest EIU report, for instance.
No, you see, people should do proper analysis. Professor Mills left office. He died when he was about 69. Do you know that? His deputy, vice, was His Excellency John Mahama. He was about 52, 69, 52. Look at the performance of the two people, John Mahama and Professor Mills. It's not age.
What is your verdict
but
then?
Competence and integrity.
What is your verdict then?
My verdict? The figures are there for you to speak on.
You're saying that we should compare John Mahama's 4 years to Atta Mills's 4 years
so.
And compare their ages?
You are talking about age. I'm saying that it's not the age. That matters in governance and management. With the character and experience. You understand? You may be 90, but you may not have the character. And the Bible.
What is your verdict of Nana Akufo Addo's presidency?
I don't want to judge people. I'm saying that.
No, but you want to be president.
Yes.
And you must be able to speak well.
No, we are all.
You must be able to analyze the performance.
We're not happy about the economy. Who's happy about the performance of the Addo? Nobody's happy. We're not happy. But you're talking about age. It's not because the Addo is old. It's not because he's old. Because Atta Mills at 69 had excellent performance than a younger president.
Than which younger president?
You know it.
Than John Mahama.
Of course, yes.
Yo, it's for winning and some of your Kwabena Duffuor out of Super with Frankama and your NDC. Need some of the two I don't know. You be sad Akufo Addo. I'm not here to judge. And you know the Bibu Atta for a Akufo Addo. Meanwhile, so watch there, what doing for a Mahama and Mills there. Now, Untimi who say Kwabena Duffuor name Mahama former president and Tawatawa be war in Timana. Sansom way Kwabena Duffuor at the two and on a list to Anya Nede. Our Boateng about to be money a year Kwabena Duffuor or Chese or you would be or you're very wicked. You can't pour it dangerous saying Akufo Addo a year Kwabena Duffuor. Now, list to work at the assembly, or Chese even I say the papa will a year at Mills, I went in baby call you not a Kwabena Duffuor and also a chassis. Now, one far Kwabena Duffuor who Acheampong or the assembly Nara and a tuga. Yen Sembreno, EBT a year list to work the reaction of and summer Kwabena Duffuor a bit tuga. Yet a year list to work name summer or cry.
Kwabena Duffuor, doctor, or a papa. Enkamepe sabi o mabusuemu enkamepe ebia ade a
obaso anu nya fi the same
se kumawu ne kwaman ne bekoso ne we dia sabi ye nyina ye
se kumawu kwaman mampa fi jase
ya ye nyina ba kwabra ade a mentimi enye ne sabi nipa onyini na wama ne ho kwan ama bone efra ne sentuma. Me who signed pana, no matter what respect I had for you or I should have for you, I try to treat you like something else. Yeah, I mean, per se, me describe because Sani panoni udini so da muntem aye say sebio o udini asene second hwete na why any who saw yet three ya will be any say way there where you would ya way in any. Now when we are more dangerous, Kwabena Duffuor is more dangerous than Owudinia and I say I'm rob baby. And I say Obia was seen a boss of bomb mine. Kwabena Duffuor is more dangerous than Akufo Addo. Kwabena Duffuor. he is more dangerous than Akufo Addo. And my first explanation in here, Kwabena, on my way, you this insensitivity of a government that not from time of independence, not from even a soldier for Aban. Have we seen a memoir a year full of callousness, so be a wicked, mean, and just aimed at one thing, just to destroy and kill all of us? Having seen such a government like this, Sebi, when you tell me, the three were bill. If you cry the money pay and you tell me, if you a junior no one tell me. If you said to four share brassy. Well, who are buying? Well, yet a trimodinia buying to say Akufo Addo buying be that free say a wono. Let's just have Papa wait till we say. Na Professor Mills a wuko. Ah, nyame uni e ni ye. Oh, you didn't. You state. Say Professor Mills are there with all the credentials. Why are there charge on Mahama? You are judging Professor Mills. If you Akufo Addo so there you don't judge. Nyakopon wo twiawoka. Wo yenim guase ni. You see why sometimes I keep mute over some people like him.
Okay.
You just judged what Professor Mills's government
did.
You judged. You just gave a judgment.
Then
and passed the judgment on even John Mahama.
Even my figures.
And yes, and gave figures and gave age. Professor Mills, we didn't fear say as against John Mahama, no, we didn't fear say. Now Akokrana, when you change John Mahama, no, what perform what change John Mahama.
Sena no
say. We no. Sena you busa say Akufo Addo swear or say I don't judge. Sena no say. Duffuor.
Sena no say.
We Nguasini too much.
Sena no say. So take it easy. Duffuor is just announcing his presence. He's harmless.
Oh, you see, me, I don't want to believe, say, he has anything. Maybe he wills something that can hurt John Mahama. No. I'm just discussing how wicked a human being like Duffuor can be. Very wicked.
You can pass judgment on the late Mills.
Yes.
And
try to want to allude, say, because you were the finance minister then, you had something called success to choke. Who was your chairman of the economic management team? Oh, and you say when you need to say, why do you need to make it straight? One in answer. Nipa na no ye chairman of the economic management team no. No what chane ho. Say what achieve success? Whose policy were you implementing? I mean, when someone is, I don't want to use such words. When you need, me papa na make success, me papa no no. Eka if you am the man or them no pia bontia, and I can say me papa na ka junior we ni nam hoi, and I can me na me junior, and I me papa no wo guni ho animu ase say ya. Ah, what bob bread drew baby I will say be penny fie so. A friend I will Gabby we ya so kwanu ma we and nice jot we, and ono so mu, and wo yo Diodium, Munko gu Mahama animu ase. Wo and now to make a bibitia Mahama. Let me tell you why it all happened.
Okay.
Okay. Somewhere after 2010. Obetie woyo me. Assembly be ye semwa e be ye nwum wo Ghana ha bi obi e ka. Adeya. Yakotwa judgment data ma ora woyo me. Sabre no. Esan se na ensem no aye hwanyan no. Yeah, payment no so went through no. Yeah, at that time. Ora Mahama de oya vice president we feel say nioma korof ewo Professor Mills aban mu because ebia ba ku mienu bia ntoto suye sika no so finance ministry na twa wo so na finance minister and in order that ababa kwa kwachire ba bia abada no oba ye no o se wo de onim de nyina sabi Kotrefie, nama o deputy no nya no finance minister. Kwabena Agyarko force na tikwa pai. Na sebi wonko na Nyankopon di nyansa tu utrim. Wo nyansa amponi o we nyansa wo ni trim ni o. Wonko na Nyame di nyansa tu utrim. No se tranchen. Kwabena Agyarko Why you be a mama? Yes, be my baby. One may nina. What time John Mahama from that time till now? And look, Omiya Kabao. Who be to say Kweku Annan? Who be to say acquire or no cotton? We were conum tea or siamani biscuit rojo. These are people are no more Prof Mills are buying. John Mahama se Montana chain, your competent hands ne bebre or mining our party nimu. Yeah, a Juma Namo Yano. Ebinum reserve. Mamusu meyebi, nebi me pacho. Eti John Mahama ministers are no more than Sir John Mahama about 2025. Now I say, now you're minister, I want my buy back on him, me for minister, and until I was so funny whole time. I then Akufo Addo buy one cause Akufo ministers because we nyasa for P chain and kwasa for your bubu buy. P obi say Dr. Annan, mami kekan tell national health insurance and the buy, metro mass transport and the buy. They no almost sorry almost say achievements to speak about no. It's all from Dr. Annan. Want if ye et you doctor to for nkwa na utiri no nyasa wo mu. Abegina sterling performance. What performance ne den and our bank gu ye.
Now what I'm going to say. With you and Mills, you claim say mutimi eye bibi.
Yes.
With you alone, with your bank,
agu.
With you alone, even 100 workers, let's say 100 radio workers, you can't pay them.
You can't pay them.
How can you pay about Ghana civil servants here? Does it?
It's about 600,000.
How can you manage them?
What's my say? Oh, what can you do? You want to oh, me no. I have taken it as though Sabi nipa bia sheda your adwen so mbedi bone. Now they only had to have someone like him. They thought Duffuor was going to be a force to reckon with. Look, not even John Mahama himself can fight himself. Not he, John Mahama himself, can fight himself. Because we are all spiritual beings, so sometimes if people will take time to analyze themselves, we are spiritual beings. Sometimes you sit and ask yourself, was it me that did this? Did I do it? And then sometimes you know obia what na se na wo hwe o spirit mu a wan kasa wo hwe o spirit mu a I to say enema bi kasa kire wo John Mahama ono akra me nya sure so onim ne ho because one tena se musa wo se wo mo a wo ne na di akon wo na bra bom nyina nya me twia wo ka se de Nyankopɔ be twia Duffuor ka 13th no obetwia ne ka papa wo hwe a obe sorry bi no na eden wa ma wo ho kwan ama odebonyefo owudini Owusu sefa destroy John Mahama never destroy NDC never destroy Oman say you can this say your man we need that so no asa you need that so bia wo ba bia you say your Oman we sa apalu obo dam ya on nam asta when na need that so 4 years no about them
say apalu de wa onipa
about them 4 years. When on any done so? You say what decay? Yeah, what you find? Bono Pabwa went to Banton. And I'm Ghana for any done so. And now Abosum, I will fry Abosuma Kutra now. Goom Nini. Why not any done so? Or not ground if you're growing to me. Oh, behind it, you need that so apart from John Mahama Ghana, you need that so be a BMC say. And to say, yeah, again, Bonnie now be a crowd before. Adwen bonia ba ni trima obeton mu a how on earth hwemfia wadie na sare a na we mu nam kwanchen ena owo bibi de mawa enkobe ye mampani ko anye wo ye finance minister hwe sika wo ni wo yire ni wo manko amasoa adan awodo amunko amanya watimi atena wa ye hwehan ton wo dai ba kokura na nkafa ko se bank ni na ka bank na ngu ama amobrofo amodo mu sika beto bank na enne en na chance no muti ha na omusu farm management mama ban awia bank isika edi asa bo ho ka ya go bank nipa na go bank no wasa ma ho kwan ama ni Owusu say fa ko sei NDC ne John Mahama how wicked could a man be? How wicked we are. Now what me will be our workers won't mean to our workers media for I go Aremeyaw ya mutimi kwabra ye nyina ye wahai sabi na go say me dem ntimi ntwa muka o so me metimi anya sika de akoye ahoto project menye sika de akoye ahoto project na ahoto ni fie a sabi ye say penforce ye bodam kro ye bo free fie ye bodam free fie obi a wantimi ahwe ne worker so wo say me pejeska sasika no maka chemo say enye ni sika MPP for you wa ba mu Akufo Addo na abode pa
yo etifo we ni ensema ye Kwabena Duffuor odo so pese wotu frankama eye NDC na ye to the ba ma na be president ni ensema odi tu gar na sansem no na ye lift to so react atutu bi e amano no edu Akufo Addo so a o say you can't judge o say Mahama ye failure na mes kra mo de bodo ko anim say eye Mahama di bisa Akufo Addo dia o say Akufo Addo you can't judge and no in the share list to abufu ma no so atutu bi ma na o chese adwemboni aba papa we trimu na papa we oyegudini na o so MPP4 and sponsor na say obeya we be say eye Mahama na ye need aso nyina ne eye John Dramani Mahama oso betimi akyere wadwen afa ensem we nyina ho abo comment box ni mo bete men come you in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.